Bharat NCAP has crash tested the Maruti Victoris. The Victoris has secured a 5-star safety rating for adult occupant protection as well as child occupant protection. The Victoris had a near-perfect score in terms of adult occupant protection, scoring 31.66 points out of 32. For child occupant protection, it scored 43 out of 49. Adult occupant protection. To arrive at the adult occupant protection score, Bharat NCAP conducts a frontal offset deformable barrier test that mimics a frontal collision. The Victoris scored a near-perfect 15.66 out of 16. In this test, the Victoris offered good levels of protection for the head, neck, pelvis, both thighs and both feet of the driver. A good rating is the highest level of protection possible. Protection for the chest, and both tibias, shin area, was rated as adequate, which is the second best score possible. For the co-driver, the Victoris offers good protection for all possible parameters. The side pole and side deformable barrier test mimic a side-on collision. The Victoris offered good protection to all impact areas including the head, neck, chest, abdomen and pelvis, giving it a perfect 16 out of 16 score. This result is very encouraging and shows Maruti Suzuki's progress in making safer cars. Child occupant protection. Bharat NCAP does not publish a detailed report for child occupant protection. The ratings published are as follows. Dynamic score, 24 out of 24. CRS installation score, 12 out of 12. Vehicle assessment score, 7 out of 13. Total score, 43 out of 49. The overall child occupant score is the highest secured by the Maruti Suzuki in a Bharat NCAP crash test. Safety check. Maruti Victoris safety features include 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. Electronic stability control is offered as standard. Maruti is also offering Level 2 ADAS with the Victoris that includes features such as auto emergency braking, adaptive cruise control and lane assist. Other notable safety features include a 360 degrees camera, tire pressure monitoring system and front and rear parking sensors. What is the Victoris? The Maruti Suzuki Victoris is the brand's second compact SUV that rivals the likes of the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, Tata Curvv and Honda Elevate. Unlike the Grand Vitara that is sold via Nexa dealerships, the Victoris will be sold through Maruti Suzuki's wider arena network of dealerships. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.